Hi guys, our menu for today is very easy to do. The ingredients is cucumber. Ito, ganito pagka-slice. Like this. If you slice like this so that the taste will absorb quickly. Our ingredients is cucumber, salted kelp, salted seaweeds to siya, seaweeds, kelp, in Japanese is kombo, din lemon, jiro, lemon, yung sabaw ng lemon, then vinegar. Ito lang guys, this is very simple. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan, then yung ilagay mo rin yung lemon at saka vinegar, yan. Then mix mo na siya guys. Then, i-mix mo na siya. Mix mo na siya. Yan, mix mo na siya. Then, preserve mo siya ng kahit 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Yan. Pag na-absorb na yung ilagay mo nyo muna sa ref. Pag na-absorb na yung yung taste, yung lasa niya dun sa cucumber, yan, pwede na siyang kainin pang ulam. Okay guys, bye. Cucumber with salted ito yung maliliit na slice na salted kelp or salted kumbo kasi ito sa Tagalog. Okay guys, bye.